sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby boy. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Continue. Continue. Continue, baby boy. I'm so sorry. Continue. Okay. Tell him, no, get your attention. He keeps on looking at me. You're such a loser. I got this. I'll go undercover. This is what happened to my dog when he's alone. I'm sorry again. Yeah, drop that bone. I saw that. He's moving the cage. Breathe, mofo, breathe. No, you heard him. He was like, breathe, mofo, breathe. He's too tired. Cause he's a fat cow. I should send this to Skylar too. This is her bitch. Yeah, Justin, this is what my dog does when he's alone. Or when he has his bone. He humps the pillow. Mijo? He's a stupid dog, that's why. Oh shoot. He's looking at me! No, he's looking at me. Stop it, mijo. Stop looking at me. Are you out of breath, mijo? Oh, no, round 15, I think. Round. Wait, Catherine, what round is this? I don't know. Is it like round 5? Or round 3? Oh my god, he got me! He knows I'm videotaping him. I'm not videotaping you, mijo. I'm taking a picture of myself. Jeez. I look so pretty. Yeah, look at this shit! This is long! Ew! Mijo! I'm gonna make him stand. What? Ew! Mijo! Mijo! You're disgusting! You want it? You want it, mijo? Come on up. Come on. Show the world your dick. It's like how Seth told us how long his is. That's how long it is right now. Get the fuck out, that cheeky. You're on your period. You want him sniffing your blood off? Don't be going near him when he's in his action. Stupid bitch. Hey, mijo. Get the fuck out! Hold this stupid bitch. You stay. Just because I live, you don't go. Hey, mijo. You want to stand up for me? Ew. What is it? Ew, that shit looks like a hot dog. Ew, get the fuck away from me. I'm done. Sorry that I scarred you. But that's good thing. Say hi. I said say hi. Don't make a face.
We just said hi.
Fuck this shit. I'm watching MTV.